Welcome back to part 2, folks. We're in the car again. I'm going to program the keys in now. So we need to open FilmoraX. Any Ford enthusiast will tell you about FilmoraX. And the first thing you need to do down here is connect it to the vehicle. I'm using a Bluetooth dongle. So it's going to check the Wi-Fi first. Oops, I should have connected it. My mistake. Noob Central. It's Wi-Fi Bluetooth, it doesn't really matter which one you use. Oh, come on, stop being silly. There you go. So we need to connect it. There you go, it's connected. It's asking me if that's my car, which yes it is. So it's picking up the DTCs and the messages and stuff. But what we want is this, because we want to program the PATS. So what we want to do is we want to program the PATS with the 2 keys. So we highlight PATS programming in the service procedures and then click the little play button at the bottom. And it just asks you to make sure the vehicle's not moving, which it isn't because we don't have any keys that work. I have the extended license, so why has that? Bit of a technical error there. My license had run out on FilmoraX, so I had to renew my license. So once we're on there and we've clicked on the PATS programming, we don't have keyless start. Well, that's not right, because we don't have remote entry, so I need to go back onto Elm. Okay, we had a bit of a technical error, but that was my own fault because I didn't follow the tutorial properly. I'll put a link in the description if you want to try this yourselves, with a link to the tutorial. My own fault, should have paid more attention, but now I'm going to do the programming. So here we go. So I'll just follow the instructions on screen. Now I've got my iPad on my knee, ready to put this code in so I can get access. So I'm using a PATS login called Web Octopus. It gives you a free go. So I'm going to generate this code. Yeah, it's quite slow generating, so at least we're getting somewhere. It's just doing all the... So generating the code now. Don't know how long it takes. Again, I've had to reread the tutorials. First of all, you've got to erase any keys that's in the system first before you try to put another one in. So I've erased, it's now showing 0 keys. So I'm now going to initialize the ignition programming, and hopefully it should sort it now. So now we've got both keys stored within the system. I need to initialize the module itself so the key can start the car. So again, it's just follow the instructions and be patient. I'll fast forward from this point, but I'll just hold the camera so you can all see. Just all about taking your time and paying attention to the tutorials, not like me. So I really am sorry about the sunlight. Can't move the car because the keys don't turn the ignition over, so... Oh no, my battery's gonna die. Oh, it's complete. Okay, proof's in the pudding now, folks. It didn't work. So as you can see, 2 keys done, and car now working.